The room is quiet except for the soft hum of servers. Blue lights stretch down a corridor longer than a football field. Every second inside this building, artificial intelligence is learning, calculating, responding to millions of people around the world. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the channel where we break down careers in luxury, tech, and lifestyle. Tap subscribe so you do not miss the paths that change everything. Most people imagine that artificial intelligence runs on lines of code written by brilliant engineers. But inside places like this, something far more physical makes the entire system possible. Not ordinary glass, fiber optic strands thinner than a human hair. Inside these tiny threads, light carries enormous amounts of information across racks of servers that power the modern internet. Meta is investing billions of dollars to secure this infrastructure through long-term partnerships with manufacturers such as Corning. These cables are the hidden highways that allow data to travel instantly between machines. Without them, the entire AI economy would slow to a crawl. This is where the story shifts from headlines to people. Inside manufacturing plants and data centers, technicians work with specialized tools to connect and test these glass fibers. Their work determines whether massive computing systems communicate at full speed or fail entirely. The role requires focus, steady hands, and patience. A connection the width of a hair must align perfectly. If the angle is wrong or the glass fractures, the signal weakens and systems lose performance. Technicians begin by installing fiber pathways through server racks, ceilings, and underground conduits. Each line is measured carefully and routed through protective channels so thousands of cables can move data without interference. The next responsibility is fusion splicing. Two strands of glass are placed into a machine that melts the tips together using controlled heat. The connection must be almost flawless because even microscopic imperfections affect signal strength. The final responsibility involves testing the network. Optical instruments measure how efficiently light travels through the cable. If the signal drops or reflects back through the line, technicians identify the problem and correct it before the system goes live. This type of work demands discipline. The environment can be intense because a single mistake may disrupt communication between thousands of servers. Yet the opportunity is real. As companies expand artificial intelligence infrastructure across the United States, fiber manufacturing and installation are growing quickly in the Midwest. Facilities connected to Corning's supply chain are expanding production, including operations tied to Ohio. That expansion creates demand for people who understand fiber networks. So how does someone enter this field? The first step begins with technical training. Community colleges and workforce programs teach the fundamentals of fiber optic installation. Students learn how light travels through glass, how cables are constructed, and how networks are designed for speed and reliability. The second step focuses on certification. Organizations such as the Fiber Optic Association provide recognized credentials that validate installation and troubleshooting skills. This training prepares technicians to work on real infrastructure projects. The final step is entering the workforce through telecom contractors, data center operators, or network construction firms. Many professionals start by assisting experienced technicians and quickly move into independent roles once they demonstrate accuracy and confidence. With experience, technicians often transition into network engineering, infrastructure planning, or data center operations. Salaries can climb as specialization increases, especially in environments supporting artificial intelligence computing. The interesting part is that most people never hear about these careers. Conversations about technology usually focus on software or venture capital. Meanwhile, thousands of skilled workers quietly build the networks that allow innovation to function. Artificial intelligence may capture headlines, but behind every algorithm stands an invisible layer of infrastructure. Light moving through glass, hands connecting cables, technicians making sure the signal never stops. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Watch the next video for more unknown opportunities.